In our project managers, we look for great communication skills, some exposure to project environments, the ability to work to deadlines, and also being able to have stakeholder management skills. People come and join DE&S from lots of different backgrounds, not just events. There are so many transferable skills that can be used in the project management function here. You have good organisation skills, IT skills, good communication skills, being a team player, and generally being good at problem solving. We offer lots of different routes for progression, as well as financial support for industry recognised qualifications. If you've got the transferable skills that we're looking for within our project management teams, there's lots of upskilling available, such as on-the-job training and shadowing, but also getting some qualifications behind you, such as your APM, the Association in Project Management Certificate.